have any hair that has the red fibers, like I said, and your supplier or your vendor is telling you it's raw, sis, it's not raw hair. Hey you guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So from the title of the video, today we're going to be unboxing some hair, and this time around we're going to be unboxing some raw Indian hair from the company Temple Hair Factory Limited, Temple Hair Factory Private Limited. Now this company, I actually found the page of this company on Instagram, but there wasn't really so much going on the Instagram page. They did not really have as much followers and pictures and videos. But then I WhatsApped this company, and the first question I even asked them was if they had PayPal, and they said they accept PayPal. So I was like, okay, do you have, some more videos of the hair? Can I see what your hair looks like? Where do you source your hair from? And all of those questions that I needed to be asked. So this vendor was very polite. He was very, very honest from the onset, and then he told me everything that I needed to know. Their company is actually based in Chennai. The fact that he even accepted PayPal was a plus for me. So I was like, okay, let me just go right ahead and get some hair from this company and unbox it for you guys to see. So now I wanted to actually purchase their curly hair, but I think they were a bit out of stock as at the time that I reached out to the company on the curly hair. So I decided to get the wavy hair. So I got 3 bundles in the length 20 inches of their raw Indian wavy texture. Now this company said that they don't offer closures and frontals at the moment, so I'm going to be on the hunt for that, and I'm just unboxing this hair to show you guys. I haven't done anything to this hair. I haven't styled, I haven't put heat to the hair, I haven't done anything. I haven't even washed the hair. Like, I'm just going to unbox the hair straight out the package the way it was sent to me from this company. I haven't done anything to it, so it's still in the FedEx packaging. I have to cover my address, sorry. So yeah, it's still in the FedEx packaging. I'm yet to do anything to this hair. Like, I'm yet to do justice to this hair. I'm yet to test out. I'm yet to do so many other things to this hair. So yeah, I'm still on the hunt for closures and frontals, because apparently raw hair vendors, I don't know, they slack when it comes to making lace closures and frontals. So now this is just me taking the risk to try out this company. At the end of the day, this hair business is all about taking risk. But this vendor accepts PayPal, so at least you're guaranteed in a way. Like, you have like some form of insurance. I would never advise anybody to purchase hair from any vendor without using PayPal. Always use PayPal. So this was just me. I really wanted to even test out the hair. I wanted to get another raw Indian hair. I wanted to see and compare, because I know Indian hair comes from North India and it also comes from South India. So I wanted to actually compare both of them and see the difference in the North and the South Indian hair. So I was like, okay, let me just try out this vendor. He sent me videos, live videos. So I was like, okay, I need to purchase from this vendor. So like I said, I got 3 bundles in the length 20 inches of their raw Indian natural wavy. So now let's just go straight ahead and unbox this hair. So it only came, when you get hair from vendors directly, they don't care so much about their packaging. They just stuff it up in any plastic bag and that's it. They don't really care. So it just came in this plastic bag. Sorry, I cannot lift up this FedEx packaging because those people actually put my address everywhere. Like, it's crazy. But this is the FedEx packaging. So, and there's nothing in there anymore, just this 3 plastic bags. So like I said, I ordered 3 bundles of 20 inches just because I wanted to see and test out the hair and all of that. I wanted to do the burn test. I wanted to there are so many things I need to do to this hair. So yeah, this is 20 inches wavy. I don't know if my camera is going to pick this up, but it's written there 20 inches wavy. So let's start with 1 bundle. So this is what it looks like. Wow, you guys see that? Like, my hands are gliding through this hair easily. You guys see this? I hope my camera is picking this up though. So this is 20 inches. It smells wash, like it smells wash, like a setting conditioner. And just with looking at the hair, I'm not seeing any red listen, the very first step to knowing if the hair that you receive from a vendor is raw is by going through the bundles. Look through the bundles, look out for red fibers. If for any reason you're seeing red strands, like weird looking red, yellowish, silver strands, okay, for the silver strands, sometimes raw hair can come in like gray strands. My natural hair, I have gray hair like almost everywhere on my head. That's just how I was born. So some people have like natural gray hair strands, but the red strands that you see there are fibers. Like those are just synthetic strands that most of the Vietnamese vendors actually mix and put in their bundles. So you have to look out for that. So looking through this bundle, I'm honestly not seeing any red fibers. I'm not seeing none of that. But what I can say that I noticed on the weft area is an eggshell that seems to be like a light shell, like a neat shell. But we all know that raw hair, especially from India, can come with like lice or nits, which is like lice eggs. That's like an indication telling you that this hair is, you know, raw. So yes, I am seeing just about 1 or 2 eggshells there, which just makes me believe that the hair is indeed raw. Okay, so I'm yet to do the burn test, but straight out the package, it's soft. My hands are running through the hair. The luster on this hair is beautiful. Like, I don't know if the camera is even doing justice to it. I'm going to attach a video of this hair in natural lighting, no filter, nothing like that, just directly under the sun. I will attach a video, probably just leave it somewhere on the screen so you guys get to see how this hair really looks under the sun, because right now I'm filming with my ring light, so you may not really be able to tell the quality of the hair because of the ring light. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna check for the shedding. So as I'm brushing through this hair, I did get a couple of strands. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I got about 4 to 5 strands of hair. So this is what one bundle looks like, and this is the wave pattern. This is the natural wave pattern of this bundle. Yeah, so let me open up the other 2 bundles quickly. So this is the second bundle. Okay, you can see the natural wave pattern. My hands are also gliding through the second bundle, and then the smell, it also smells freshly washed. It smells like washed hair. It also has no red fibers at all. I'm not getting any red fibers. You guys, I've already opened up this hair earlier on today, so I went through each bundle carefully. Like, you guys, I was literally looking out for those red strands, like, because the moment I just see any red strand in any bundle, I just know that, okay, this hair is not raw hair. So off you go. Like, I just toss it away. I'm just like, okay, it's just one of the hairs that I'm getting from the vendors, you get me? So yeah, that's just one thing that I always look out for immediately I get hair from any vendor. Look out for the red fibers. If you have any hair that has the red fibers, like I said, and your supplier or your vendor is telling you it's raw, sis, it's not raw hair. So yeah, this is the second bundle, and this is the waist pattern of the second bundle as well. Remember, 20 inches. This is all single drawn, okay? So it has not been altered in any way. It has not been processed. That's what the vendor says. So I'm still going to test out this hair for maximum about a month. I'll test out this hair for like a month, and then I will come back and let you guys know if this hair still holds, like if this hair is perfect, if it's good to go. So yeah, this is 2 bundles. So now let me open up the last bundle quickly, and then this is the last bundle. Okay, this is the last bundle. This bundle seems thicker than the rest. I am getting just a little snag with this last bundle. Probably it's because, you know, the hair has been in the package and I haven't washed it. I'm yet to wash this hair. But this is what it looks like. No red fibers. So with all 3 bundles put together, this is 1, 2, and 3 bundles. Super thick. Like, this hair is so thick, you guys. Like, so thick. So yeah, like I said, you guys, I got this hair from the company Temple Hair Factory Private Limited. I'm going to link their Instagram page as well as their WhatsApp number in the description box if you guys want to go check them out. Also remember that they use PayPal, so you can always sample order if you want to. But right now, for the initial review after unboxing, the hair looks, you guys, like the luster of this hair is just stunning. Like, it's so beautiful, especially outside the natural light, not this ring light. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so soft, very soft. Like, it's really soft, and then it's super thick, like very thick. I don't even think I want to get a closure with this hair. Like, I actually want to install this hair on my head with like a little leave out, so that I can see how my natural hair mimics this raw Indian hair. I want to actually like install the hair and see how the hair behaves when it's being sewn to my head, not as a wig. That's what I want to do to this hair, and I'll probably let you guys know once I get this hair installed. I'll also make like a part 2 video when I come back for the final review video of this hair, to let you guys know what my final thoughts are on this hair. That will be after a month, about 3 weeks. So yeah, so I just wanted to like come show you guys this hair and talk about the company a bit. So yeah, their name is Temple Hair Factory Private Limited. All their information will be down in the description box if you guys want to go check them out. So yeah, the hair is really beautiful, so beautiful, and it's full from root to tip. Gorgeous. And yes, I actually measured the length, so it actually measures 20 inches. So they were being honest about the length of this hair. So yeah, that's it, guys. You guys should please let me know if there's any other texture you guys want me to try. I was looking at Cambodian. Well, I don't know, I've been hearing that Cambodian hair is very coarse. I don't know if I want to do with a very coarse hair. I don't know, but I'll let you guys know. So please stay tuned for my next video. I will be dropping a video on Burmese hair. I have to make that video because apparently a lot of people don't understand what Burmese hair is. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, thumbs up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section and I will definitely respond to them. Also follow me on Instagram at KikiBerry, Twitter KikiBerry. All my social media handles are actually KikiBerry, so please make sure you follow me. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.